Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking to watch my video today. In today's video we're going to be making this delicious puff puff, and yes, I'm going to be going straight to the point. No serious drama. We're going to be making use of just our flour, sugar, salt, and that's it. No drama, guys. So if you're at home and you're just craving puff puff and you don't have milk or yeast, just know that you can still achieve it. So I'll be using 2 cups of flour. In this case, I'm going to be using 2 cups of self-rising flour, my sugar, my salt. I'm going to put the detailed measurements in my description box, so please don't forget to check it out. So I'll be mixing the dry ingredients together, and then I'll be adding the water bit by bit because there's a consistency I'm looking for, just so that it doesn't become running. So I just keep adding the water, mixing, adding till I get my desired consistency. So I'm just going to keep adding water till I get the consistency I want. You don't want it to be too running. Just add a little water, mix it till you get the right consistency. And in this case, I'm adding my scotch bonnet because I want just a bit. So I just want it to be hot, so I cut my scotch bonnet into tiny bits. I've added it, so I'm mixing it all together so every part of the batter has pepper. So I'm just going to keep mixing till I get the smooth consistency and I'm satisfied with what I have before moving on to frying. So with this method, you don't even need to start waiting 30 minutes, 1 hour for the batter to rise. I'm just going to keep mixing till I get the right texture, and then I'll move on to frying. So I've added my vegetable oil and it's now hot. Not too hot, but it is hot. I'm going to use a good amount of vegetable oil so that as I'm scooping the batter into the oil, it is flipping up. Do you understand? It's bouncing up. If you don't have enough vegetable oil, it's just going to seem like you're frying akara or something. It's not going to bounce up. As you guys can see in the video, as I'm scooping it into the hot oil, it just keeps bouncing up, and that's where the oil comes in. Like if you put enough vegetable oil, that's what you're going to definitely get. So you want to keep flipping as you're putting it. You want to start flipping everything so that it can fry evenly, not the one that some parts will be like very brown and then some will not be brown. So everything just fries evenly, and you can see it looks really beautiful. So I'm going to scoop out and then put the next batch. You can see it's evenly fried as well. So here I'm just trying to show you how I scoop the batter into the oil, so you can just watch this in a slow mo to get the tricks of scooping your butter into the oil. I know some people find it really difficult, but trust me, when you get used to frying puff puff, you'd understand the tricks. So you can just watch this video in slow mo so that you can see what I'm doing. And I just keep flipping as usual so that everything is evenly, and trust me guys, it's not like a difficult process at all. Yes. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please, this is going to be a good time for you to just click on the subscribe button, guys. It will mean a lot to me if you click on the subscribe button and just support me. Like this video, subscribe. I have a lot of videos on my channel that you would find useful, so please subscribe please. Thank you. So we've gotten to the end of the video. Look at this gorgeousness, guys. The puff puff was really nice, and the day I made this puff puff the weather was really cold, so we just had it with like a cup of hot beverage. Guys, it was particularly nice because the puff puff I added scotch bonnet, so it was hot coupled with our hot cup of beverage. Guys, it was really nice. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.